Namaskar everyone. My name is Karen from first grade. Today I am going to explain about the solar system. Our solar system consists of sun and its 8 planets. First is Mercury, second is Venus, third is Earth, fourth is Mars, fifth is Jupiter, sixth is Saturn, seventh is Uranus, and last planet is Neptune. It is hottest planet nearest to Sun. Earth is our planet. Jupiter is biggest planet, is coldest planet, farthest from Sun. All planets revolve around the Sun. Our mother planet, Earth, completes one revolution around Sun in 1 year. That is equals to 12 months, equals to 365 days. Hope you like it. Thank